friend, this is Abiodun Mustafa, and I hope you've been getting so much value from the secrets and from the wisdom, precept, and insights that have been shared from the book of Proverbs. So we started from Proverbs chapter 1, and today is day 11, where we're sharing from the book of Proverbs chapter 11. Please always do well to like these videos, do well to subscribe, do well to share with friends, and you may really help someone to become really valuable in the things that they do. Okay, now I'll be sharing from Proverbs chapter 11, and we'll be looking at Proverbs chapter 11. We'll be looking at verse 9. We'll be looking at verse 9 and also verse 12 and 13. This is very, very important, and you'll get a lot of lessons from this. So Proverbs chapter 11, verse 9 says, "You can be ruined by the talk of godless people, but the wisdom of the righteous can save you." Verse 12, he said, "It is foolish to speak scornfully of others. If you are smart, you will keep quiet. No one who gossips can be trusted with a secret, but you can put confidence in someone who is trustworthy." Now, this particular part is trying to really say that when you commit your time, when you commit your heart, when you open up the gates of your mind to listening to godless people, it has a way of ruining your path to destiny. This means that you must be very cautious, you must be very studious, and you must be very discreet with the kinds of people that you open up your mind to. Because he says that when you listen to godless people, it ruins your life. He said you can be ruined. And you have seen a lot of people who have become really ruined. People who tell you things that are not, they tell you things about another individual that is not really true. They give you certain information that are not really true, that you should not even think about, you should not bother about. Because when the information of the godless gets to you and you ponder about it, it ruins your action, it ruins your decision, and eventually it may even ruin your destination. Now think about certain people that were in your life, that you were with so much cling with, you were doing so well together, you had mutual benefits together, until an individual told you something about that individual that made you take certain decision and say, oh, you're no longer going with that person, until eventually you realize that what was said about that person was not true. What happened is that they ruined that relationship. Some people have listened to godless people, and it has led to them ruining their businesses, ruining their greatness, their attainment, the things they could have become. So you should always shut your ears against listening to godless people. Now listen, godless people in this instance may even have to do with godless songs, godless slangs, okay, and godless suppositions, the things that are portrayed in the society that just happen to weaken you, weaken your drive, weaken your motivation, kill your inspiration, and you may need to become really dedicated to ensure that you begin to guard your mind. That's why the Proverbs also say, like I've shared earlier, that you should guard your heart with all diligence, for out of it are the issues of life. And let me finish with verse 6. It says, "No one who gossips can be trusted with a secret, but you can put confidence in someone who is trustworthy." It's that simple. Don't always reveal secret to gossips. Don't always reveal secret to those who cannot keep it. There are certain information you must choose to keep dear to your heart and not let out to those who have failed, who you have tested with certain information and secret, and they have made it open and public instead of keeping them private. If you really want to keep your mind sane, you want to stay happy, you want to stay dedicated, make sure you do not reveal secrets to gossips. Till I come your way again, please do well to like this video, do well to drop a comment, let me know if you got so much value from this passage of Proverbs. And also, please stay subscribed to this channel so you will always get things that will help you to become purposeful, remain productive, and always stay profitable. See you tomorrow. Cheers.